Green Renovation, a guide to eco-friendly home improvement. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of green renovation. If you're curious about making your living space more eco-friendly and sustainable, you're in the right place. Green renovation involves upgrading your home in ways that reduce your environmental footprint, enhance energy efficiency, and promote a healthier living environment. Let's embark on this green journey together. Green renovation is all about making conscious choices to improve your home while respecting and preserving the environment. This could mean using sustainable materials, implementing energy-saving technologies, or designing your space to utilize natural resources more efficiently. It's not just about the final product. It's also about the process, ensuring minimal harm to our planet. Embarking on a green renovation project isn't just beneficial for the earth. It also offers significant advantages for homeowners. 1. Energy efficiency. By upgrading to energy-efficient appliances and improving home insulation, you can significantly reduce energy consumption and lower your utility bills. 2. Healthier living space. Materials used in green renovations often have lower levels of toxic chemicals, improving the air quality inside your home. 3. Increased property value. Homes with eco-friendly features are becoming increasingly popular, which can boost your property's market value. 4. Environmental impact. By choosing sustainable materials and reducing energy consumption, you're actively contributing to the reduction of harmful emissions and the conservation of natural resources. When planning your green renovation, consider these key elements. 1. Energy efficiency. Upgrade to energy-efficient appliances, install solar panels, or improve your home's insulation. 2. Water conservation. Consider installing low-flow faucets, dual-flush toilets, or a rainwater harvesting system. 3. Sustainable materials. Opt for materials that are recycled, sustainably sourced, or have a low environmental impact. 4. Indoor air quality. Use paints, adhesives, and finishes with low or no volatile organic compounds (VOCs) to maintain a healthier indoor air quality. Green renovation is a powerful step towards a more sustainable and eco-friendly lifestyle. By making thoughtful choices in how we upgrade our homes, we can enjoy a healthier living environment, save on energy costs, and make a positive impact on our planet. We hope this guide inspires you to embark on your own green renovation journey. Thank you for watching, and here's to a greener, brighter future.